Hello, happy Halloween. Come on in. These come together quite easily. I have 6 whole wheat English muffins cut in half. I'm gonna use, this is a homemade pepperoni. I am gonna be filming a video for Italian sausage, and I'm going to put this pepperoni variation. So I always make my own pepperoni and Italian sausage, and it is bomb. Especially the Italian sausage, it's a winner. I'm gonna use these peppers, cut just like that. You need some capers, some sliced black olives, tomato sauce, and mozzarella cheese. All right, I'm gonna show you how to put these together. First, we're gonna put the sauce on each English muffin. I like everything saucy. This is for kids, so I don't want to mess. Actually, it's not for kids. Last time I made these, the adults were devouring them. So it's for everybody. Okay, sprinkle with our cheese. Okay, so now I'm gonna put these in the toaster oven or the oven, 350 for, oh, let's see. I'm gonna keep an eye on and I'll let you know. All right, these are fresh from the oven, nice and toasty, melted cheese. And after this part, again, it comes together very quickly. So let's make some zombies. Ooh, I'm gonna put some basil and kind of look like eating flesh. Okay. Put this around. I probably should have put this under the cheese. So going forward, I'll make sure to put that in the book. I think that would look, yeah, like rotten flesh. Yummy. Everything is like, I learn as I go still. The more times you make something, and remember what you changed, it always turns out better next time. But I know no one's gonna complain. These are gonna be delicious. Now, we'll start with the eyes. I'm gonna put 2 pepperoni slices on each. And the olives on, put them on kind of crazy so it looks a little wild. Let's start on the mouth. We're gonna use these peppers, and then we're gonna put capers in between to look like rotten teeth. Just a couple will do. Capers have a strong flavor. My kids love capers, but they are half Italian. Other kids might not. I'm gonna finish up these zombie pizza faces, and I want to note, these are sweet peppers. It's very important because these are for children. These are perfect, but just do not get hot peppers. These can be snacked on. They're sweet, they're delicious. Get the right peppers or you're gonna ruin this whole thing.